Everyone has a sweet tooth, especially Sandy and Vicente Gonzalez. Their love of baking and decorating cakes turned into the opening of their very own Los Pasteles Bakery. Whether you simply want to stop in on your morning commute and start your day with a donut, or you need a cookie dessert tray for a party, look no further than Los Pasteles. They're also skilled at cake decorating and design. For your child's birthday party, Father's Day, or a wedding cake to remember, they can make your wildest dreams come true. Los Pasteles Bakery has 3 convenient locations in Laredo, Texas, and a location in Rio Bravo, Texas. Call us today to order your custom, personalized cake. Los Pasteles Bakery, 956-765-2012.